Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install your navigation system using an SD card on your Audi A4 or Avant car. Depending on our vehicle's equipment, the navigation status for our navigation system is located either on the SD card provided or on the internal flash drive of the MMI. The information given, of course, a source of it. And the navigation software is often used on an SD card. The navigation system is designed for use only with the SD card provided. Audi AG shall not accept any liability for the consequences of using other SD cards as well. To get this in position, of course, we have to use the navigation status which comes on an SD card, and this is on the navigation system we have to install. This is, of course, enter on the SD card slide area in our area on the right side of your car at the passenger side. Okay, and there we can store the SD card with the navigation status and slide them into position. We slide the SD card with the navigation status provided into the slot in the SD card reader until we feel it engaged. The missing corner of the SD card should be at the front side. We do not store the SD card with navigation status outside of the SD card reader slot, for example in the glove box, for a long period. External factors such as excessive heat may cause data loss. Audi requires that we make a backup copy of the SD card and store it in a location provided from external factors outside of the vehicle. And then, if we entered the SD card at the glove compartment into the SD card slot, the navigation will automatically be installed, as you can see. After we have inserted, so the SD card with the navigation system will be enabled to use in our car. We should note that the navigation system is immediately no longer available if the SD card is removed from the SD card reader, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.